In this video, I'll show you how to install applications on your Redmi 15C. Now there are two ways you can do this, so I'll show you both of them. So the first one is by using the Google Play Store. So all you have to do is locate the Google Play Store on your Redmi 15C and launch it. And then from here, all you have to do is find the application that you'd like to install. So you can simply tap on the apps section and scroll through and find the application that you'd like. Or you can simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and search for that particular application. So tap on the search bar and search for the app that you'd like to use or to install, sorry. So let's say if I want to install the Uber app, I can search for it. And then once I find it, all you have to do is tap on install, and that should install the application on your Redmi 15C. Now, another method of installing applications on your Redmi 15C is by using the GetApps application. So the GetApp application comes pre-installed with the phone. So this is how it looks like. So all you have to do is launch that particular application. And then if you get to this page, and then from here, you can scroll through and find the app that you'd like to install. Or alternatively, you can tap on the search bar at the top and search for the app. So let's say if I want to install the Bolt application, you can simply type on it, type on the search bar, and then tap on the search icon to search for that particular application. So once you find the application, simply tap on that particular application and then tap on install. And that should install that particular application on your Redmi 14C. So basically those are the two ways in which you can install apps on your Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.